guys, Jessica, today I am gonna be playing some Roblox, some Bloxburg, and today I'm gonna be just adding some new things that they bring out to my house. So I think let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead. I only have like 8,000. My friend was actually going to give me 50,000, but I wouldn't let her donate. But that's fine, actually. Wait. Oh, thank God, oh, thank God, oh, thank God. I thought I couldn't, take the game or whatever. Baby, pull me closer. So, first thing they brought out is the new stairs, and I do because I did want these stairs to go they would go from the pathway, but they didn't really fit, and I didn't want to bring it more forward, even though I could, because there's that gap. But they did bring out new ones that are way longer. That's the only thing, they're just longer. So I think I'm gonna, where are they? Oh my goodness. They even brought out some new rails, and I'm definitely using that for a balcony that I am gonna make. Where are those stairs? Oh, here. Oh, they're $1,000 each. Okay, change of plans. I'm not going to change them. What I am going to do, I'm going to try to move them forward. Does that, kind of count? I'll try. They're, $1,000 each. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Be $9,000. So I'm not gonna delete them. I don't want to delete them. But what I'm gonna do. Okay. There. I'm just gonna move it forward. So I'm gonna put them all over here and just move them forward. It's not as I wish I could go all the way, but and then this kind of looks weird because it should blend in with the footpath. But I really do want to do a basement, but you have to pay for that. You have to pay Robux for that. And you only have 1 Robux. I used to have 1,000. No, I actually used to have 1,000, but then I brought it. I wasted it. So what I'm going to do is the easy fashion way. Let's get the normal floor, the automatic floor. So go to the second story. No. Oh. It's fine. Totally fine. These, put them back. Oh, because I'm on the second level. Why are so many people? Okay. Let's just, the same routine, just moving them back. But then I want them to line up. This one, we will go forward. I'm finished. Yay! Oh wait, there's one more. I didn't get about that gap of it. I'm just gonna roll with it because your girl doesn't have time. Because I can only be recording for 15 minutes. And it's already been 5 minutes. How was that? Alright, so I'm just gonna keep it all the same. Just gonna color this the same as these. I can put, and I just have to get a wall. I haven't used $1,000. Surprise. But I didn't really buy anything. Wait, what did I do? Oh my goodness. Actually, hey, think what I was thinking? Why, this isn't like Fortnite that I can cut the wall. Sorry, I keep thinking about Fortnite, how I can like cut the wall. And I was hoping, that looks weird, that space underneath. Not worrying about it now. It's just a game, it's not real life. But it feels like real life, so I have to cover up that gap. My house has no shape. It's just like it's just like, I don't really care, like it does not care about its shape. So like, and this one has a sensor because I mostly use this car. Because this blue one here is my cousin's and I don't like use it. So it's like my cousin's car, so on the plane it's like his car. He uses it, it's his car. And then I have like a skateboard. I really do just want to add a door here. So I'm just going to add like this door, cheapo door. And I'll leave it white because like, pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, how much? I don't know what else. Okay, I've been wanting to do this, but I never had like the passion to do it. A garden at the front. So what you have to do to make a cute little garden at the front, like I'm on computer, I can do everything. I wish that things like how you can make like your own floor on the computer, you could do it like on phone as well. Look, on phone I can't do that, I have to build a wall, but and then the problem is when I build the wall it can't go through the trash can. How many squares did I do this? 4 by 2. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 by 2. And then cancel that. My goodness. My goodness. I'll make it like not a grass. I wish they made a texture for grass, even though we already have grass. Like, some people like to make their own grass. Like, they have to think about that kind of stuff. Did I just do that? Yes, I just did. Now I'm just gonna add, just like, I want it to be like really nice. do have only 5,000 left. But I have flowers and like rocks and everything and stuff like that to put around. Flowers I'm just gonna put there. I'm literally just scamming it. I'm not even putting them in perfection area. I'm just like scamming it, like I don't even care that these two are next to each other. Now I did want to add some rocks, but I don't know if there's like, oh, they have different shaped rocks. They look cute if I was gonna, okay. So that I'm gonna put in the middle. I think I'm just gonna delete on both sides. Just did it on both sides. Instead, I'll put a rock, like one rock at the front. This is massive. Oh my goodness, I didn't know they had rocks that big. Oh my goodness. I was wondering why rocks are so like expensive. Oh my goodness. Okay, then I want... Okay, that's not gonna work. It looks cute, but it's not gonna work. Can I put this? Okay, I'm just gonna put it like by the trees because it looks cute. Like where the trees are, if I like kind of hide it in there. Not really hide it. Okay. I think I did pretty good. So let's give it a little tour. Don't mind, I am very sick. So we have the little garden area. I think it actually kind of goes with my house. Like, we have it on this side as well. Very nice. I like how I put the trees like that because I don't really have much trees. Don't mind that hole. Up here is the garage. It's just slightly bigger. Yeah. And then what's good is that there's a door. So I think that was really good. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Bye!